Hi everyone and welcome to the Fivers YouTube channel. First, I hope you all feel good these days, and I would like to invite you as always to subscribe to our newsletter or to our YouTube channel and get every week our webinars, trading ideas, any other Forex articles and newsletter. So if you want to subscribe to our YouTube or to our website, you are more than welcome to do it through our website. And okay, let's start in this weekly analysis. As you will see soon, I pick up some 4 assets, and in most of them, actually, I'm waiting for kind of reversal opportunities. And I'll start with the GBP JPY, the Great British against the Japanese yen. And I will start with this pair and I'll show you and explain exactly what I mean. This is the 1 hour chart for the GBP JPY. Okay. And as you can see, I marked this line below as the last support of the price. Okay. This green line, that's the last support. And actually what I'm looking for is that thing is hopefully that the price will break out first this support, because if that happened, it will indicate that the price most likely would like to reach this demand level at least, or maybe even the one here at the bottom. So if that happened, I will look for any other price action in this area. I will wait for a little technical correction up and look for a good reason to sell the GBP JPY. Good reason can be any other bar pattern, a new fresh supply, and any other things that each one of you use to get his own signals. So this is what I'm looking for, and if that happened, that's the situation I believe that might happen. And of course, the demand level here, the first one, will be the first level that I will act, which means maybe close part of the position, maybe half of the position. And this demand here at the bottom will be the final target for this sell position if it will come true, of course. Also, this demand here at the bottom is the next level that, at least for now, it's the next great level to buy GBP JPY. Okay, the next one is the GBP against the US dollar, and we can see almost the same situation here. The price not long ago, as you can see here, okay, at the beginning of this trading week, the price create, I'll zoom in a bit, the price create this great demand, new and fresh demand. This is the first time that the price came back to visit this demand from the left, and that's why we see this reaction here. Okay, still it's a little reaction for now, but actually, if to be honest, it's a good demand to buy GBPUSD, but because the price is after a very significant and the long uptrend, and as you can see, the price, this uptrend became powerless and powerless by the end. And I prefer to sit and wait and see if that happened also in the GBP against the US dollar. All right. If the price will break out this last demand that the price creates, okay, it's also kind of an indication that the price most likely on his way to reach this demand here at the bottom. So it's almost the same situation as the GBP and the JPY. If that happened, this is what I'm looking for. If the price will break out in kind of convenience way this demand, I will look for any other price action set up to sell the GBP USD, and hopefully that's what I believe that can happen. So this is what I'm looking for. Also, if we take a look on the daily chart, okay, it's kind of a reason, a level that we can definitely believe that what I described now on the 1 hour chart can definitely happen. We can take a look at this daily chart. We can see that here there is a supply. Maybe in a 4 hour chart we'll see it better. It was a previous demand in the past, which was also this kind of resistance in the past. Also, there is some interest in this level. So that's why I'm thinking that it will be much more smart to look for a reversal at this situation and not use this demand, although it seems like a good demand. So this is what I'm looking for. Let's go back to the 1 hour chart and looking for the price to break out this demand. It will give me the opportunity to sell GBP USD. Next one will be the euro against the GBP, the euro against the Great British Pound. And this is the 4 hour chart. And actually now the most clear things that I can say about this pair, it's that the euro and the GBP in this 4 hour chart is in a downtrend, as you can see. And most likely this downtrend going to continue at least until price reach this demand level. That means I will use any new supply that the price will create. I will use it as a great level to sell euro against the GBP. So for now, there are two scenarios that I'm looking for. One of them is I will look for the price to break out this last support, as you can see here. Okay, I put this red line here. And if that happened, I will look for a new fresh supply, wait for the price to come back to visit this supply, and then I will sell the euro against the GBP. And the target for this position will be this demand here at the bottom. The other scenario, which I found hard to believe that will happen now, but we can never know, so we must be ready for any situation. It's if the price will break out this resistance here at the top, it actually indicates that the price switch this downtrend to an uptrend. And if that happened, then the price will break out this resistance, okay, it indicates that the price most likely at least would like to try to reach this supply here at the top. Usually supply I color in red, so I'll do it now. Okay, so this is actually what I'm looking for. For now, the price is just between those levels, and there is no clear situation and opportunity to operate in this pair. So if the price will break out this support, which I believe that there is more chance that this situation will happen. If that happens, I look for any sell position to sell the Euro GBP. This demand is the target at the bottom here. It's also a great demand for a buy position. If the price will break out this resistance, I will definitely consider to look for a buy position in order to reach this supply here at the top as a target. Okay, next is the gold, XAU USD. And also the gold, as you can see, not far away. We can take a look first on the daily chart. And as you can see, the price just reached to a significant top, the last top that the price been there in the beginning of March. And from that level, as you can see, the price of the gold just dropped down very fast. Okay, so it's kind of resistance slash supply, this area. And I prefer, at this level, I prefer to look for a signal from the lower time frames. This is the daily chart. One option is to sell just now where is the price and put the stop loss just above the last high. Okay, you can see more clear. But the other option, which for now at least I prefer it, is to look for the signal from the lower time frame, to look for the signal that will give us indication that this bullish momentum is about to change to bearish. And this signal will be, at least for now, only if the price will break out the last low here of this recent uptrend. So this is what I'm looking for. Although seems like a great demand, since the price is very high and after a very long uptrend, I prefer to look for the reversal signal. And also with this situation in the gold, this is what I'm looking for the price to break out this demand. Okay, if that happened, I will look for any other price action, sell position. Okay, something like this. And also in this situation, this is what I'm looking for. The long target for this situation will be this significant demand here at the bottom. You can see it very clear, which is also a great level for a buy position. All right, so that's all for today. I wish you all to successful in this trading week, and be safe, feel good, and thank you for joining us. See you the next time. Bye bye.